In this video, we're going to go over cleaning gutters. It's very important to keep gutters clean on houses because the gutters is what sheds the water away from the foundation of the house. It also it helps with growth on eaves and stuff, eaves and any of the siding that it's over, because it sheds the water away as opposed to dripping down. The process is pretty simple. Typically we hand wash or hand clean out the gutters. All you do is take the debris, put it in the bucket, and then we'll either hand the bucket down or we'll dump it in a bed somewhere that doesn't have a lot of bushes. If debris is on bushes, we need to clean those off afterwards to make it look good. You'll find all kinds of things in gutters. Well, you'll find all kinds of things in gutters, but mainly it's leaves and pine straw and sticks, but you'll find, toys and balls and stuff like that. Regarding the downspouts, most of the time downspouts, if they're clogged, they're going to be clogged at the top. You reach down and pull the clog out and clean the debris out and put it in here. If it's too deep or too low, then we'll take a hose and come up and flush the water out. Flush the downspout out. In rare occasions, we have to take the downspout apart to fix the clog. When we're cleaning out the gutters and we're cleaning out the clog, sometimes we can't get all of it. We're not going to get 100%, but if we get 95 or 98%, we should be good to go. And then the subsequent rain after that, the next rain, will flush everything down. When you're reaching into downspouts, or when you're right on the edges of the roof, whether it's a metal roof or a shingle roof, you got to be careful with your hands. You'll get cut up if you do it too fast. And there's screws in here that are attaching the gutter to the downspout that you can easily get scraped on. So just be careful. If you want to wear gloves, you can. Sometimes it inhibits your movement and it makes it harder, and it's really grosser to do it with gloves on because they get soaked. As always, you stay very, very low center of gravity when you're close to the edge of the roof. OSHA guidelines say that you should be tied off if you're over 6 feet. That's the best practice. We don't have an anchor point here, so we're not doing that. We're just being extra careful, especially when we're on the edge. You also have to keep in mind that sometimes the shingles are super hot. I always bring a rag, but gloves help to not burn your hands and not get scraped up. And then on rare occasions, when we do flush out completely the gutters, even on very low pressure, we want to make sure that we put the water flow in the gutter and not on top of the shingles, because you'll damage the shingles even with low pressure but high flow water. And make sure we want to make sure that we're getting these gutters clean but not damaging anything else. If you have any questions, ask a supervisor. Thanks.